Hello, fifth graders. Today is Thursday, December 3rd, I think. December 3rd, yep. So I just saw you on a Google Meet. It was nice to see all your bright faces. I told you that today in class I read a little bit from Among the Hidden. Basically what happened today was Luke did go back over to Jen's house and he learned more about the Barrens and all the good things that they get to have that he hasn't ever really been able to have. Like they have junk food like chips and pop, and those are things that the government had outlawed. So his poorer family has never really gotten to have those, except for mom did save some old stale chips from years ago and let him taste one day. Anyway, that's a brief little ditty about Among the Hidden. I also shared with everybody about the spelling bee that's coming up toward the end of January. We will have our regular in-class spelling bee, and then we will have our whole school spelling bee, but it won't be in the cafeteria this year because of COVID. We'll do it simultaneously all in our classrooms and kind of in a Google Meet or a Zoom fashion. So we'll all get to see what everybody still spell the words. It'll just be we're all in our own rooms at that time. So I will share those with Miss Ember and Miss Melina via email. And then if you were gone today, I have them in your desk. Then the next thing was the Nifty 50. And so you should have your spiral open where you keep your Nifty 50 words. And where are my words? I had them pulled up. There. So I told you it would be when you see this word. We have communities, and you can chant it after me if you want. COMMUNITIES. COMMUNITIES. And this is just simply the word community, where the Y was changed to an I, and then we made it plural by adding ES. Communities. And remember that our Nifty 50 words are words that help us understand and be able to spell lots of different words just by knowing these 50. And let's do prettier next. Prettier. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Your turn. P-R-E-T-T-I-E-R. Prettier. Here we have the word pretty, where the Y was changed to an I, and we added the ER to make it comparative, saying that one thing is prettier than another. It means more than. So there is more prettiness by adding ER. Your next word, you're going to say, really, Mrs. Shepard, we just had a word like this, is community. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community has the base word unity in it. I think you see the word unity, and it has com with a double M at the beginning for the prefix. And unity with the prefix com means people who live together. They live together with unity. Com means with or together. So we live together with unity. We are united as a community. And your next word, this is going to look familiar because it's a word wall word. It is beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Your turn. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. And here we took the word beauty. Where do I cut? There we go. And we changed that Y to an I and added the suffix full, meaning full of. So this word means full of beauty. You could have other bad words like painful, meaning full of pain, or fearful, meaning full of fear. but we'll just keep beautiful because that's a nice word. All right, your next word is classify. Classify. It is the word class with the suffix ify. Similar words would be glory changed to glorify, note changed to notify. And we said to classify something means to put it in its group. So we are classified by grades in our building. We can be classified by homerooms. We can be classified by boys and girls. We can be classified by blonde hair, brown hair, black hair. Lots of ways to put people into groups or things into groups. Your next word is electricity. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. Electricity is simply the word electric. And when we add the I-T-Y suffix, that I changes the sound the C makes. And now it's a soft C saying S, electricity. So if something is electric, that's an adjective describing something. And electricity, by adding the I-T-Y, we change it to a noun. Electricity flows through the lines. Your last word is the best word for the day. It is happiness. H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S. H-A-P-P-I-N-E-S-S. Happiness is simply the word happy with that Y changed to an I, and we add the suffix ness. So happy is a describing word. It's an adjective. When you add on the suffix, you change it to a noun. Happiness is something people can have. It's a thing. All right, so that takes us to, let me get out of this scary full screen. There we go. And then today I asked you to read the second part of eruption. And so yesterday you did some sticky notes where you were supposed to do some sticky notes where you found details in the text that helped you know, oh my gosh, it's gonna blow. Or it helped you think, no, it's fine. You don't need to evacuate. So you left off yesterday on page 190, this page, and we can see that these people are evacuating. And on page 191 is where you're starting today. And we just kind of talked about the scientists are yelling on the page 189 and 190, and they're like, get up, get up. And as Andy ran out the door, he saw clouds obscuring the top of the volcano. That means they made him hazier. He couldn't see them very well, and they blurred his view. And then great black ash clouds, massive rolling clouds of superheated ash, raged down 6 miles on each side of the volcano. And those are called pyroclastic flows. And then the typhoon hit, and they rushed to the seismograph. The earthquakes had died down, way down, and stayed down. And that makes Andy think, uh-oh, this is bad. And the pressure under the volcano was building. So all of these things were kind of quieting, but it means that it's getting ready to blow. So today you are reading this page, and I think you have 3 others. Or sorry, just really 2 others. There's a caption to read over here. You're going to read page 193, and then you'll end with 194, I believe. Yep, you don't have to do the collaborative discussion. I just want you to have another sticky note or 2 where you find evidence in the text that helps you know that things are getting really bad or things are getting better. I'm guessing you're going to find more that things are getting really bad. So those 3 sticky notes, 2 from yesterday and 1 from today, or you can just write 3 simple sentences in an email are what are going to prove to me that you've read this, and I need them tonight. So turn them in. Don't forget that you can have the text played out loud for you by clicking play audio, especially with some of these big, hard science words. And then your homework tonight, the last thing I need to tell you is, if you click on classwork, there they are. You're just simply going to choose your article. And I know Bryson figured out how to do this. I'm not sure if all you guys did. You're going to click the article that you chose, and you need to click Join Now up in the top corner. And you are going to tell it that you are a student. So you'll click this button. And then don't be fooled here. I don't need you to join my class. Just click Sign In with Google. And then you can pick whichever person you want to sign in with Google as. I guess I can pick that other account. And then tell it to allow. And then, do I already have one? I'll just say no. You guys can say no. And it should open up Newsela for you. But the bad part is it doesn't open it to your article. You have to search for it. But guess what? You just click back over here and click your article again, and it will open it and let you read all the text. So your assignment tonight is to read the text for your article. Look at this, another read aloud button. I know these are harder science articles. I would like you to take advantage of this if you want to. If you find that you're rolling along pretty well, then you don't have to do that. Okay? And that is it. I hope you have a lovely day. Email me with questions. Don't forget to take your spelling test tomorrow. Don't forget to waggle tonight. You need 30 minutes by the end of the day tomorrow. 30 minutes by the end of the day tomorrow or by Saturday morning. And that's it. So read this, waggle, study spelling, take your test tomorrow. Now I'm done. Bye.